Well, hey everyone. I couldn't give up on that one because when I broke that wire, we managed to save it. It isn't what I wanted. So I'm trying one more time. So, sorry for the duplicate video, but I'm going to get this. And I might put them up separate. So, I mean, at a different time. So we're going to make a loop. I think that's where I run into my problem is I kept trying to use the tool that I wasn't used to, and we're going to go around it. Cut it there. Alright, so now we've got a loop. Like I'd make if I was doing a bracelet. Or the top of an ear wire. But a lot bigger. Enough to hold our chain. And we need to visit a file here. Now, if this one breaks, I'm not going to be happy. Yeah, wasn't planning on that one breaking. I don't know. I really need those spacers in there because of it'll match the bracelet. So I'm putting them in, but I'm not going to do it as tight. That way I can get the wire in there. We got it like this. So, last time, I'm going to leave a little bit of give to it and put a little curl in it down here. Well, I think I'm going the opposite way that I did last time. Oh well. Alright, let's see. And I didn't even show you what I just did I? Just made a curl and I'm going up with some white beads. Knocked it over. So what's y'all's favorite thing to make? Pendants? Earrings? Bracelets? And what would you prefer to see? Try to do a little bit of everything so beginners can have something. Alright. See what we can do with this. Let's put this one here. Well, I needed more on there. Too late now. Because look, they're falling down. It ain't gonna work. If I could get them all to fall down. I'm gonna wind up bringing this one too. See if I can get a couple more beads down there without breaking it. Yeah, maybe. I'm probably going to break the beads. There they go. That ought to be enough there. Alright, let's see. How many did we have there? There's a cat wanting in. I'm getting tired. Take one more out. I think I need as many up here. Around like that. Well, I don't have much left, but not the way I wanted it. I like the other one better. Oh well. Okay, back. Try to tighten up that curl, but this is not like dead soft silver. And with a weaker arm here lately. That just ain't what I want. Ah! It's as close as I can get it. Well, yeah, that is not turned out the way I wanted it. Try not to mar up the middle. Well, that ain't what I wanted. I should have just used metal and I don't know. Oh, there we go. I thought it would go good with this, but it's got way too much white in it. This one, that one might go better with it. Well, y'all, thanks for watching. It didn't turn out quite like I wanted it, but I think I like that one better. Because I couldn't get that swirl to work, and then I messed that one up. So, I just wanted something to go with this. And I don't know. I think I like this one better. I didn't need all those beads on it. I should have done silver. And just a few beads somewhere. Maybe in between. I don't know. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, I guess. Y'all have a good one. And y'all take care of yourself. And until next time. Bye-bye.